Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Package Weekly Group Retro. Today is Friday, November 6th. Starting off with what went not so well. Tim, you have the first point.
Yeah, we've been involved in a customer escalation issue this week, and it's taken more time than expected. So I guess that's something that went not so well. On to Steve.
I fell a bit behind on sleep this week, and it kind of just put a big damper on my productivity. And then also the dependency proxy MRs just didn't really have as much momentum as I had been hoping for. So they're still moving, but I was hoping to have them a little further at this point. Over to Nico.
Yeah, so dog food in the package registry went very smooth locally. It got me all happy and excited. And then when I moved it to CI, it's not working yet. I think I will reach out to an expert for that. And the other thing is that Jamf stopped me to be able to push to Git for a while, which is less than ideal, seeing what we do for a job. And this has been workarounded, but it wasn't so nice. And Joao is not here, so I read for him. I was hit by a wave of Rails DB reviews this week. Context switching was painful. And over to Hayley.
It has been an intense and emotionally draining week because reasons. On to what went well with Tim.
Yeah, well, it ended up being a productive week, and one nice thing is that I got to meet some people around GitLab on different teams that I normally don't interact with, so that was kind of cool. On to John.
Thanks, Tim. So ops engineering had some great discussions around calibration of performance factors. That was super great this week. And then also we're making some great progress on Q4 OKRs. That's really great. And then I also just wanted to mention, I really appreciate everybody's super great input and willingness to help during the customer escalation issue from this week. So thanks for all of that. Over to Steve.
Had a pairing session with David and Nico on GraphQL, and it was excellent. So thanks for setting that up. And the MR that I've got for moving dependency proxy to core now has a green pipeline, thanks to Gigi for helping me debug one of the really tricky errors I was seeing. Over to Nico.
Yeah, so I came back from the holiday and there was a lot of nice initiative going on. So it felt like a nice welcome back to work. Joao is not here, so I read. Good progress on implementing the schema changes. Hopefully should be completed next week. And over to Hayley.
Yeah, so we were able to trim down registry by 700 lines of code. And those are 700 lines that I don't really miss, so that's good. While the customer escalation stuff has been challenging, I think it's made clear how customers more broadly relate to the registry, and aligning on that's good, you know. David is not here? Question mark?
Yes,
no, he is here. On to you.
So we enabled the cleanup policies limits on production this week, and we didn't hit any major issue. So that's a huge good sign, positive sign. And I guess we are properly geared to start rolling out this feature for older projects. Over to you, John, I guess.
Thank you, David. I'm just laughing at laughing at some of those follow-up comments there. Awesome. Anybody have anything else to add before we stop recording? Should we ask Nico to read his comment out loud? Oh, just kidding. Okay, awesome. Well, thanks everybody. Appreciate all the great input, and we will see you all next week.